How do states broaden participation in K-16 computing? How do we measure computer science education equity and advocacy efforts and outcomes, ensuring that we reach the 70% of the population currently missing in computer science pathways? As we pursue potentially historic education reform, how do we avoid unintended consequences? We depend on computer science to solve everyday problems, yet inequities in access to and participation in computer science education are more prevalent than ever. The Ecep Alliance is a network of state-level CS education leaders that works to increase the number and diversity of students in the pipeline to computing and computing-intensive degrees by supporting state-level education reforms. Ecep's multi-stage model of state change includes finding change agents, identifying the CS education landscape, establishing goals via a strategic plan, and ensuring that the advocacy and implementation effort is sustainable. Encouraging teams to focus on data and measurement, Ecep added a fifth stage: build and utilize a data infrastructure to generate evidence to inform strategic, broadening participation in computing efforts. The CAPE framework, developed by Fletcher and Warner at the University of Texas at Austin, provides a guide for working in that fifth stage by operationalizing how equity can be assessed at multiple levels. For example, measuring equity in terms of capacity for CS education can mean determining whether all schools, regardless of income status, zip code, or student demographics, have the funding, policies, teachers, or other resources needed to offer high-quality CS courses. In terms of access to CS education, it can mean examining how access to CS courses in schools varies depending on factors such as student demographics or school geography. For participation in CS education, it can mean investigating enrollment trends of CS courses to ensure that students of different racial, gender, and economic subpopulations are participating in CS education at similar rates. For experience of CS education, it can mean examining disparities in learning outcomes by subpopulations, as well as evaluating whether K-16 student learning environments are inclusive and foster a sense of belonging for all students. With these models, we seek to build common measurement practices that will scale across CS for All efforts and help us keep equity front and center as states grow their CS education programs. For more information, visit ecepalliance.org.